Hello there guys, welcome back to episode number 3 of this mini-series, Students' Questions. My name's Dan and I am your English professor. In today's video, we're going to compare the difference between something, anything and nothing. A question which was asked by Emma on the Your English Professor's Facebook page. If you missed the first 2 episodes of this series, I put a link in the description below, so be sure to go and check those out, as I'm sure they will help you. So if you're ready, let's get straight into the lesson. So we're going to start by looking at something, somewhere, someone. And these 3 are all used in positive sentences. So when your verb is positive or when your auxiliary verb is positive. They can also be used in some questions. And you use them when you're not saying or you don't know where the place is, who the person is, or what the thing is. So let's look at a couple of examples with those words. Someone has stolen my phone. In this sentence, my phone has been stolen, but I don't know who stole the phone. Therefore, I've used someone because I don't know for sure. Let's do something tomorrow. It's going to be sunny. Now, in this sentence, I'm not actually specifying an actual thing to do. I'm just saying let's do something because the weather's going to be nice tomorrow. And in the final example, I'm going to use the same example, this time with somewhere. Let's go somewhere tomorrow. It's going to be a lovely day. Now in this example, I'm not specifying where the place is. I'm just saying let's go somewhere to a place. It could be anywhere. Now that brings me to my next point. So now we're going to compare the difference between anything, anyone, and anywhere. Now these 3 are used in negative sentences and questions. For example, I don't want to do anything, I'm really tired. Has anyone seen my phone? I'm sure I left it on the table. They didn't suggest anywhere to go for dinner tonight. And finally, let's look at the difference between nothing, no one, and nowhere. Now these words are used in short answers, okay? So short answers, or in a positive sentence with a negative meaning, okay? So think very carefully about what I said. So they're used in positive sentences, but the words are actually negative. They have a negative meaning. The word no is usually negative, right? So it's very important to pay attention when using these words. Let's check out some examples with them. What are you doing tonight? Nothing. I'm very tired after work. Nobody buys CDs anymore. Where did you go last weekend? Nowhere. We're still in a lockdown. So thank you again, Emma, for your fantastic question. If anyone has a question and would like to be involved in the next episode of Students' Questions, then please let me know in the comments below. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you hit the bell, you'll receive a notification when the next episode is out. So thank you again guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Goodbye.